quick recap of our workshop in Portugal of the second day. We had defined our high-level goals in the morning for each quarter of the year. So for example, me getting a value-based client, a new one, and Hugo getting developed to help get their clients. And then this Q2, for example, and Q3, me renewing with my existing clients, value-based, of course, and those devs transitioning over to me so I can help them with client delivery, with being efficient, automated systems. So that's Q3. And Q4, we want to work on operations. So once we have all this set up, work on operations, get a better structure, look what can be optimized, all these kinds of things. After the midday point, after lunch, we started focusing on getting more detail of those goals. So for example, how can we find another B2B value-based client for me? What's the strategy there? What steps to take? And for Hugo, how he gets his clients and how we can help him there with automation. We didn't get much to Q3. That's still what we have to discuss today. And we also want to discuss, we all did it briefly, we want to do marketing, start that at the same time, because marketing is like a slow burn. It takes a while to build up. So it's better to start early, so we cannot just say, yeah, we do it next year, because then we will start from scratch, and that's not good, because we want to have it set up for next year. So yeah, that's the main objective, marketing, Q3, Q4 planning. Let's see how it goes. But I gotta say, coming here was really doing it here. Really nice nature, the sea, like you can see all here around, the trees, the grass. It smells so good. It's really gets your mind relaxed and thinking. So I really enjoyed coming here from still half winter, half spring Germany in Munich, where it still snowed when I left. Even though this is not maybe the best sunniest weather, I don't mind. It's still warm and I don't get a sunburn easily. Alright, see you in the next one.